Have you ever wished you could just delete your bad habits? Like hitting backspace on procrastination, or uninstalling overthinking, or removing endless scrolling from your brain like a glitchy app. Well, I decided to try something crazy. For 30 days, I allowed an AI system to track, analyze, and correct my worst habits. Not just suggest changes. Not just motivate me. But actually intervene in real time. And the results? Let's just say, I didn't expect AI to understand my behavior better than I understand myself. Today, I'll show you exactly what happened, what worked, what failed, and how you can use AI to upgrade your own habits without losing your mind in the process. Let me start with a confession. I have always struggled with 3 things: procrastination, late-night screen addiction, and inconsistent routines. And every time I tried to fix them, I would do okay for a few days, then fall back again. So I thought, humans are emotional. AI is logical. What if AI could do what my willpower couldn't? That's when I built a 3-part AI setup. 1. A habit detection tracker. To monitor my screen time, sleep, tasks, and routines. 2. A behavioral prediction AI to detect when I'm about to fall into a bad habit. 3. A micro-intervention bot. That nudges, blocks, or redirects me. Basically, an AI habit bodyguard. And then the challenge began. Week 1 was brutal. Because AI has no mercy. The habit tracker analyzed my routines and immediately caught things I didn't even notice. For example, it showed that I procrastinate most between 2 to 5 p.m. Not in the morning. Not at night. But in that exact window. Why? Because that's when my mental energy dips and scrolling feels easier than thinking. It also found that I sleep late not because I'm productive at night, but because I start relaxing too late. A tiny shift that creates a massive ripple. AI showed me a screenshot of my entire week and highlighted. You have 27 micro-hesitation moments before tasks. 27. Moments where I paused, doubted, delayed, then fell into a habit loop. This data was uncomfortable, but eye-opening. Awareness wasn't my problem, precision was. AI gave me laser-accurate insight into where my discipline was leaking. By week 2, the challenge went to the next level. The AI started correcting my behavior. When I opened social media during a work block, it gently popped up. Are you escaping this task? When my bedtime routine crossed 11:30 p.m., it dimmed my screen and muted non-essential apps. When I hesitated on starting a task, it broke it down into smaller pieces and gave me the first step. And weirdly, this worked. Because I didn't have to depend on motivation. AI removed the friction. One moment that shocked me was when I tried to just check something quickly. The AI froze my screen and said, "This will reduce tomorrow's focus score." It wasn't scolding me. It was predicting consequences like a smart friend. That was when I realized. Bad habits aren't about the habit. They're about the micro moment before the habit. And AI excels at micro moments. Week 3 was the breakthrough. Something strange happened. I started behaving better even without the AI correcting me. For example, I automatically put my phone outside the room during deep work. I slept earlier because my body expected routine. I stopped doom scrolling because my dopamine sensitivity changed. The intervention became a habit. It reminded me of something. When a plane changes direction by just 1 degree, over time it ends up in a completely different city. A tiny correction creates a massive destination shift. AI wasn't fixing me. It was changing my trajectory. This is when I understood. AI doesn't make you disciplined. It makes discipline easier. So after 30 days, what actually changed? Result number 1, my procrastination dropped by 45%. Not because I forced myself, but because distractions were removed before they became temptations. Result number 2, my sleep improved by 1.5 hours. AI showed me I needed routine, not better alarms. Result number 3, my screen time dropped by 28%. Especially during the danger hours from 2 to 5 p.m. Result number 4, I felt less mentally tired. Because I wasn't wasting energy shifting between apps, tasks, and decisions. AI automated those decisions. Result number 5, I became more self-aware. AI didn't just show me my habits. It showed me how I sabotage myself. This was the biggest win. Because once you see your patterns, you can never unsee them. Now here's the part that actually matters. How can you use AI to delete your bad habits? I'll break it down into simple steps you can follow starting today. 1. Track before you fix. Don't guess. Use AI tools to analyze your habits for 3 to 7 days. Use any combination of habit tracking apps, AI planners, screen time analysis, sleep tracking, focus timers. You'll be shocked by how much data reveals. 2. Identify habit trigger windows. Every bad habit has a predictable trigger. For me it was 2 to 5 p.m. dips, unwinding late, task avoidance moments. Your goal is to find your windows. Because fixing one window can fix the whole day. 3. Set AI micro-interventions. This is where deletion begins. Examples. Block apps during work, dim screen after 11 p.m., instant nudges when you switch apps, breaking tasks into first steps, predictive reminders, dopamine resets. Small nudges outperform motivation. 4. Automate the good habits. AI can help you. Auto-generate your routine, pre-plan deep work blocks, auto-structure your day based on energy, suggest breaks before burnout. A good routine kills bad habits automatically. 5. Reduce friction, not freedom. This is important. AI shouldn't limit your life. It should remove obstacles. You don't delete habits by fighting them. You delete them by making good habits easier. Here's what I realized after 30 days. Bad habits aren't the enemy. Lack of awareness is. Most of the time, we fall into habits because our brain takes the easiest path. AI isn't here to control us. It's here to illuminate that path and gently guide us toward the version of ourselves we're trying to become. When you remove friction, discipline becomes natural. And when you get 1% better every day, your whole identity slowly shifts. I didn't let AI control my life. I let AI show me a version of myself I didn't know was possible. And that was the real transformation. If you found this video helpful and want more AI-powered self-improvement experiments, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what challenge I should try next.